So we washed the CL63 earlier. The car needs a really deep clay bar, because let me see if you guys will be able to hear this, but sickening. But yeah, washed, it does look pretty good. I really do love black cars, black on black, like that. Just wow, that's nice. But yeah, so we got a couple parts for this thing, just to test and see if we could get it to start before sorry, doing the starter. Ooh, yeah, did not want to show the address. Yeah, so let's open these packages. Let's see, hopefully this thing will stay like this. I have no idea. And it's like, this is literally why I bought that gimbal, but I got it upstairs and I'm not going right back up again. So okay, address is not on this side, so we're good. So this is the relays. So hopefully they're actually the right ones. What the bomb? Wait, better be 2 in there, because the thing did say it was for 2 relays. And granted, we do only need 1, but yeah, I mean, I want what I paid for, so. Alright. This does look like it. So okay, so this is the exact same thing. At least it looks the same. But it's just like, the crazy thing is I see these things for like 40, 50 bucks or whatever. And then this was 10 bucks for 2 or 8 bucks for 2. So yeah, let's see. Alright, so that's in. Nope, so it's not that one. 12-2 battery. And then there's 2 more right here that I'm going to take off and then change them for the 2 new ones and see if it starts. So yeah, maybe, who knows. Okay, so boom, this is the 2 fresh ones right there. Probably not going to be the culprit anyway, but I mean, you always start with the cheapest fixes and then go up. So yeah, let's see. Nope, no dice. The starter does click, so the starter is either seized up, which I don't believe it is because I did hit the starter a couple times, or the starter motor is just dead, or the starter grounds are super caked up from the oil that's been leaking out of the car and coming out of the car, I mean out of the dipstick thing. So yeah, unfortunately these little fuses or relays were not the fix, so that's annoying, but I mean, whatever. We have spare relays just in case anything ever happens and we need them, we have them, so that's fine. I'll switch them back to the ones that were in it before, and then I'll just keep these ones and the spare fuse thing. But yeah, we have to check. Maybe there's like a starter relay thing or something, I don't know, But we're gonna do some more diagnosing and see if we get anything to work. So if I don't get anything to work, you won't see anything, but if I do, you will. So we end the video. Thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry for the super boring content, but we are trying to get the car started for tomorrow, so it'll be easier for us to get it on the tow truck. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.